Hello again everyone and wonderful morning to all of you and welcome again to our daily Bible verse ministry. And today's Bible verse is taken from the book of Numbers chapter 6 verse 25 and 26. And here is the word of the Lord. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. And in Tagalog, paliwanagin nawa ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at mahabag sa iyo. Ilingap nawa ng Panginoon ang kanyang mukha sa iyo at bigyan ka ng kapayapaan. On this Bible verse for all of us today, on this wonderful morning, it's Sunday, so let us worship the Lord, gather together, so that the Lord will bless us and keep us. And the Lord's face will shine on us. And God will always give us peace. So let us worship Him. Put Him first today. On your life, on your heart, and your mind. Let us gather together, assemble together, to worship the Lord today. Upang nang sa ganun, ang kanyang muka ay magliwanag sa atin. Paliliwanagin ng Panginoon ang kanyang muka sa ating buhay. At magliliwanag ang ating buhay. At nang sa ganon, ang kapayapaan niya ay mananatili sa atin. Tunay, makakamit natin lahat ito kung patuloy nating inuuna ang Panginoon. Kaya halina kayo, magsamba tayo, purihin natin ang Panginoon sa araw na ito. So let us worship the Lord. Let us not ignore Him, so that His face will always shine on us, so that God will always bless us and keep us, and we will always have peace on this world with Him. So magandang umaga po, and have a blessed Sunday morning to all of you. Have a joyful worship to each one of you. Good morning.